Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to do the charging test in the Mi11X device while watching the YouTube videos. So previously friends, I did similar kind of video where I played the PUBG game and did the charging test. So in that results were very much shocking. That phone took very much long time to charge. So maybe close to 3 hours and 2.5 hours. But let's see friends what will happen if you're watching the YouTube videos and charging at same time. So in this test, I'll be connecting the Bluetooth earphones. So since the phone has only type C, so which will be utilized by charging, so I'll be able to only listen the audio with the Bluetooth headphones only. So I connected the Bluetooth headphones from the sound core, so which I am using right now in the testing. And in case if you want to know the battery draining, how much the phone will be able to survive while playing PUBG, so make sure to check this video friends, which I uploaded recently, so which a lot of users they are really interested to know the battery draining. So that's why I'm trying to mention it before itself. So right now battery percentage is of exactly 2% friends, as you can clearly see here. So 2%, and let me try to open the YouTube and start playing the video and charge the phone at same time. So it is a YouTube video which I'm playing right now. So I'll be playing the YouTube video around maybe 70% of the brightness, not with the full brightness. So 70%, so not even with the 50%. So 70% brightness I'm trying to play. So let me try to quickly show you friends. And it is the stopwatch which has been ready, and it is a charger which I'll be trying to use. So this is a 33 watt fast charger which I'm trying to use right now. So 33 watt fast charger, as you can see friends, so which is mentioned here, 33 watts. So let me try to connect the charger and start the stopwatch. So I connected the charger and I'm going to start the stopwatch as well. As you can see, the stopwatch has been started successfully, and on the top you can see the notification as well, the charging indication, as you can see friends clearly. So again, I'll be back after 30 minutes of charging this phone while playing the YouTube videos and watching at same time. So we'll get to know in the first 30 minutes how much the phone got charged as well. So this is what whole point of doing this kind of test. So again, I'll be back friends after 30 minutes of testing. As you can see friends, right now in the first 30 minutes of charging the phone while playing the YouTube videos, so I'm ready to show you the what is the battery percentage, how much it is reached. So right now it reached up to 34% friends for the first 30 minutes of charging the phone while playing the YouTube videos. As you can clearly see here, 35% right now it increased. So let me try to continue the YouTube videos only playing non-stop. So let's see whether the phone will be able to manage to charge within that 1 hour mark or not. So at this point of charging, I don't think the phone will be able to charge faster even while watching the YouTube videos. As you can see friends, right now it's been exactly 1 hour of charging this Mi11X device while playing the YouTube videos at 50% brightness, sorry 70% brightness, as you can see here. So let me try to quickly show you the charging time, how much it has been taken, so how much percentage it got reached in the first 1 hour of charging. As you can see, it still is at 59% friends, as you can see. So overall, only thing is that if you play and use the phone for watching videos, the charging time will definitely decrease. So it will take maybe close to 2 hours of complete charge the phone. So that is what is happening in this phone. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned friends for more unique kind of videos similarly like this. I'll be doing so many interesting videos and so many lot of comparison videos as well. So stay tuned for more videos and updates in the future. So thank you friends for watching this video, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.